Hi, welcome to IT Solutions. I'm Craig, and today I'm going to show you the Chromecast Ultra. I bought this and I recently upgraded from the Chromecast. As you can see, this is the newer one, and this is second generation. Only difference is this has got it's got 4K Ultra HD and HDR capability. It's got Ethernet built in. Now with Ethernet, I've already got the plug already ready set for this. The actual Ethernet plug goes into your plug, believe it or not in your device, and then it goes in the back of your router. This is the device. I will show you just a little dongle there. Your power goes underneath, and then you got your HDMI just there. Now the HDMI that connects to the Chromecast itself, it's got a magnetic field on it, which once it's plugged in, it closes back up onto TV. Now further, I will get on with the setup and I will show you how to do this. So, I will even show you how the full sense of it all, how to connect it to your Wi-Fi, etc. So let's get started. Your power goes in the bottom of there, and then you plug your HDMI into one of your ports. Now obviously, because it's 4K, I forgot to mention, this will have to go into a 4K HDMI compatible port on your television, and you can find this out one from your manufacturer instruction booklet, or it may say it on your TV. If you look at your TV in the back of your port, it should say HDCP 2.2, and that is 4K ready. Now, because I've got the Xbox and my Ultra HD BT box, I'm going to have to lose one, because obviously I'll be using this a lot with streaming such as Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, Now TV, amount of streaming you can think of you can do with this. This will also work in conjunction with the Google Mini Home. I'll do this on a separate video, I will show you, but basically it means that you can control with your voice to tell your TV to turn off, which works in conjunction with your Chromecast and your Google Mini Home, which is really good if you're going smart in your home. So I'll plug one of my, so we'll take the Xbox one out, I think. So we'll take that one out, put it into one of your spare ports you've already got on the back of your TV. Most of mine are full, believe it or not. We've got power already on my Chrome, so I just got to put it in. Obviously, it can be a bit fiddly if you can't get to TV. Like that is in, and then with the magnetic, you just put it back on, and it'll show how you do that. Now, obviously I already had it on the input of Chromecast, because that's all changed. I'm going to have to change back over. So it'll be on the Xbox One S. And you should have, there we go, look. That is all set up now. Now to continue the full setup, as it demonstrates on the TV, it says, well, to get started, you've got to download the Google Home app from the Google Store on either your iPhone or your Samsung phone, or whatever kind of phone you've got, because obviously it needs this to set up to your Wi-Fi network. Now I'll cut it short. I'm going to end it here, and then I can show you how it's all set up, because obviously I don't want you to see all my BT details. So I'm Craig from Craig IT Solutions. Thank you.